Hi everyone, my name is Rose, and everything looks a little different because I have to film this on my phone. I usually film on a mini iPad, so it's not that much different. But somehow my phone was making a glare. No matter how I sat in front of the window, I was like glowing. Like I was like white glowing. And I'm like, okay, even with a sheet over it, it's like I don't know. I'm trying not to freak out right now. I was kind of crying a bit because I was trying to fix everything and it was like not working. But okay, my name is Rose, and this is the finale for the Stardew Project Pan. That is with Christina Chain. I'm to get all my items together and like hopefully get through this. So yeah. Okay, first off we have for Sandy, I have this Nabla Lola skin glazing, which is my blush today. And my goal was 20 uses. I just reached that today, and I did that mostly by like there was I think 2 or 3 times where I used it on my cheeks and I used it on my eyes too, so that like gave me a couple extra uses, and I barely made it with this. I should have made it way earlier than that, but I don't know. I was working on so many blushes, and there was a good chunk of like the summertime that I was working mostly on creams too, and it was just like this kind of got neglected for a little bit. But I'm glad I got 20 uses. I mean, it looks pretty used, so that's good. Everything reached goal except for one item in this project. So, well, there's only 5 items. So I'm gonna talk about this next. I'll do the palette last because it's like 2 items. But yeah, for Vincent, I finally used up the primer. It was only 3 uses, so I'm kind of bummed that I didn't use it up sooner. I didn't like open it sooner. It was only 3, but like I was really expecting this to be like 5 to 7, which I mean 3 is not that different from 5 to 7, but like it's like it was only 3, so I should have used it sooner. But I'm glad this is finally leaving. I liked it. It was okay. I don't know how much this primer is, but it was okay. Okay, and then the polish, which is the one item I don't have reached goal on. My goal was to use it 10 times. I have used it 9 times in total. Oh, I forgot to tell you, I used this just this last month. I used it 9 times. So that I had to do like half of it in this last month. But yeah, so my goal was 10 uses. I reached 9. I painted my nails today with it, and that was the 9th use. Before I added today, I added some thinner nail polish thinner to it. I just get the Sally Beauty Supply generic kind because you get a lot for like $5, and this lasts me like 3 years. It's one of these bottles. So yeah, if you want half the product for twice the price, get the OPI one. But yeah, if you have a Sally's near you and you like nail polishes, just pick up one of those. It's like $5. But yeah, before I added thinner to it this morning, it was like, this is where it was at last time, this little mark, and it was probably about halfway down from that. So I think even though I didn't reach 10 uses, I think I made a good enough progress in this that I can hopefully finish this off this year somehow. I don't know if I have any projects I can throw this into, but yeah, I'm hoping that I can just finish this off. I mean, it's really pretty purpley polished. It's very cool tone purple. When I put it on my mom, it looks way more indigo on her than it does on me. Like this looks more purpley on me, but everything that is cool toned pulls a little bit warmer on me for some reason. So like that's just how it is. Maybe it's because I'm super pale, but that's just how it is for me. So that was for Maru. So yeah. And then last 2 items are for Jodi and for Emily. I almost said the wrong names. So Jodi, I had the diamond shade that I want to use 5 to 10 times. I only got 5. I didn't even use it today. And then Emily was just the palette in general because she really likes gemstones. So, and my goal was 20 uses. Last time I had 13, and you got it today. I got the 20th use today. I kind of took a break from this because I actually was getting really close for a while, so I could have probably finished the 20th use a little bit earlier, but I've been using other things for the last couple times I wore makeup. But yeah, today I'm wearing what shades am I wearing? I'm wearing Royal Jewels. That's kind of like just in my crease and lower lash line, just to help your gem blend out. That's the main shade I have. I have that, like, I put it all over my lid and I blend it into my lower lash line. And I did Carnelian on a little flat brush. I blended it out with like a buffing brush, but I applied it with a flat brush. I used it here. I'm gonna like show you in the sun what my look looks like a little bit better. And like halfway up the outer edge. I didn't put it in the crease. I didn't put it all the way up to my crease. I put like maybe halfway up the lid, and then I buffed it a lot just to add a little bit of definition. And I have Sunstone. Just I did my finger. I blended it out with my finger. Applied it sheer layer over the top of your gem. And I did pearl in the inner corner, and then I did garnet as a little angled liner brush. I did dry. Whenever I do shadow liners, I usually use them dry, unless if I like really feel like it's not laying down. I just use it dry. So I used quite a few shades today. I was thinking about doing a green look, but if I did a green look, I would only use that shade from this palette, and then a lot of other shades, because I feel like even though there's some like greens in here, like these two are kind of greens, they kind of lean more yellow, and I wanted like a more truer green if I did a green look. But yeah, I really like this palette. It's one of my top 5 eyeshadow palettes, and I'm glad that I got some more use on it in this project. So that's all the items. I'm happy that I made as much progress I did, even though I thought I was going to get through a lot more items. I got through maybe 10. I think I got through like 10 items. I really wanted more. I don't know if I'm going to bring this back next year, but I'll see how it goes. And yeah, and I'll bring you guys up where I'm not kneeling on the ground next to my bed, so you can see my look. See, that's the red wing. I'm like stumbling. See, and then my wings are not even today. Like this one's a little bit more something. But yeah, see, sunstone blended on top of the mattes, because that's how I've been doing all my shimmers lately. I put a matte down and I put a sheer layer of shimmer on top, and I like how it looks. I blend it up too, because I just like this kind of look a lot. Like, it looks very blended and soft, but still has definition in the outside. And there's like a hair triangle on my eyeball. But yes, thank you so much for watching this video. And hopefully my internet gets fixed so I can not film on my phone, so I can go back to filming the way I was filming. So yeah, bye.